This is my assessment of the Rainey 120 decibel door window alarm. You get 8 in a box. There are 2 pieces to each alarm. So you have a piece like this and a piece like this. You can see that there is adhesive on each of the pieces, and if you notice carefully, you've got some lines. So that tells you where your pieces need to match up. The alarm has several options. It can be off, it can be on the alarm setting or on the chime setting. And I will demonstrate that to you here in a moment. You'll also notice that you have a plastic tab hanging out. So that is just to keep the battery, which is installed, from being active. So all you need to do to activate it is to pull that out. And it does come with instructions, but let's go look at how it works. So you can see we have this one attached to the top of this door. So the one piece is on the door frame, the other piece is on the door itself, and there are the 3 lines that I mentioned before. Okay, and now we will turn it from the off position to chime. You can see now the light blinked and you heard a little chirp letting you know that it's been activated. So that goes off twice, and I think it will continue to go off if the door stays open. The other option is alarm. That one does not go off until the door is shut or the window.